Here's a hot but a very respectful take. Titing Manalili is heavily carrying NCAA storylines right now, as him and the Letran Knights are through as the first grand finalist of season 101. You know what time it is? Hands in. He's so good! Like, what the fuck, bro? Like, he's so good! As in, sobrang love siya ng masa. Like, naaalala ko dati, nung nag-cover kami ng Junior MPBL, yung team kasi ni Titing dun sa Caloocan siya 21 under. Tapos, syempre, sobrang dami ng mga taong nanood sa Caloocan. Tas nagpunta talaga sila lahat, tas nagsisigawan, naghihiyawan sila every time na hawak ni Titing yung bola. Like, umabot na siya sa ganun. Everybody's rooting for him. Pagdating niya ng Letran, everybody's still rooting for him. Swinip nila yung perpetual. Pagkatapos nung laro, yung mga taga-perpetual, inaabot yung cellphone nila kay Titing, nagpapapicture sila kay Titing, ganun, kalalim. And you know, a lot of people would say before na yung NCAA daw may bad reputation kasi marami daw sakitan, marami nag-aaway. I think that was during the time of John Amores, and unfortunately, I had to say it kasi medyo na build up ng mga oras na yun eh. And not to mention that Letran before was one of the teams na parang tinuturing sila lagi na villains because of how physical they were playing. Whether it's Baste, whether it's San Beda, Benil, juniors or seniors, sila lagi yung big boss. Pero ngayon, parang yung swag kasi nila may paglalagyan eh. Siyempre, hindi rin naman natin ilalayo yung spotlight kina Jimboy Estrada, kina Santos, kina Omega, kina Jun Roque. But people watch the NCAA nowadays because of Titing. And I really hope that Letran takes care of him. I think he's being taken care of very well. Kasi sigurado naman ako na may nag-apply na UAAP school para kunin siya. And yet, he stayed with a team na naging kampiyon siya during his high school days. And now, he's 2 games closer to being a champion at the collegiate level.